Hello children, how are you all? Are you doing good? Enjoying your school? Very nice. बच्चों, क्या आप जानते हो किसी के प्रति अपना प्यार दिखाना, खासकर अपने से बड़ों के प्रति प्यार दिखाना एक अच्छी बात है, लेकिन उससे भी ज़रूरी एक और बात है कि आप उनका आदर करें. That you show your respect towards them, isn't it? So here we are again to read this wonderful story about love and respect of your elders, especially grandparents. So the story for today is the horse cloth. Children, in this story you will read how a grandson brings back respect for his grandfather in the eyes of his parents by making them realize that how wrong they were in disrespecting him. तो ये कहानी है एक बच्चे की, एक ग्रैंडसन की जो एक पोता है और वो अपने माता पिता को एक खास बात का एहसास दिलाता है. So let's read. Once there was a rich businessman in a small town of France. He had a nuclear family, a wife and cute small son. So that is called a nuclear family, isn't it? A small family, एक छोटी सी family जिसमें बस parents और बच्चे रहते हैं. Unlikely, some powerful persons of the town got his enemies. Therefore, like a wise person, he left the town along with his wife and son and went to live in Paris. अब कुछ enemies, कुछ दुश्मनों की वजह से उन्हें वहाँ से जाना पड़ा और वो पेरिस में रहने लगे. The businessman worked very hard for several years. His hard work and polite nature made him very popular in his neighborhood. He led a happy life, but after certain years, his wife passed away following a disease. अब वो बहुत ही अच्छे इंसान थे जो बिजनेसमैन थे और उनका स्वभाव बहुत अच्छा था, इसलिए सब लोग उन्हें पसंद करते थे. लेकिन काफ़ी साल बाद उनकी पत्नी की मृत्यु हो जाती है. The businessman's son grew into a handsome young man. The father got a beautiful girl as a bride for his son, but the girl's father placed a condition before him. I can permit for my daughter's marriage with your son only if you transfer the entire wealth in your son's name. This way you won't have any legal right on your wealth. अब जो बिजनेसमैन था उन्होंने अपनी बेटी की शादी एक सुंदर सी लड़की से कर दी, लेकिन उस लड़की के पिता ने एक शर्त रखी कि तुम अपनी सारी दौलत, अपनी सारी वेल्थ अपने बेटे के नाम कर दो. The businessman became silent for a moment and then answered, I will do as you wish. Thus the businessman's son was married to that beautiful girl. अब क्योंकि वह व्यापारी, वह बिजनेसमैन दिल के इतने अच्छे थे क्योंकि उन्होंने एक बार भी नहीं सोचा और अपनी सारी संपत्ति अपने बेटे के नाम कर दी. They lived a very happy married life. Around 3 years after, a son was born to them. तो जिस बेटे की उन्होंने शादी की थी, अब उसका भी एक बेटा हुआ. They named him Lucifer. The old man also continued to live with them, but soon he realized that he had not been wise to give all his wealth to his son. अब वो उन्हीं के साथ रहने लगा, लेकिन कुछ समय में ही उन्हें एहसास हुआ कि सारी दौलत देके उन्होंने अच्छा नहीं किया. He had to face insults and chidings almost daily. Years passed. The businessman grew into a bent old man. अब जो उनका बेटा था और उसकी पत्नी थी, वो उनकी इंसल्ट करते थे, उनकी रिस्पेक्ट नहीं करते थे क्योंकि उन्हें सारी दौलत तो मिल चुकी थी. ऐसे ही कई साल बीत गए और बिजनेसमैन जो व्यापारी था वो काफ़ी बूढ़ा हो गया. He enjoyed to be with his grandson, who was not a tall boy. But his daughter-in-law was a horrible lady. She found a fault with everything the old man did or said. She kept asking her husband to get rid of the old man. One day she said, "Dear hubby, just throw the old man out of the house. I do not like him. I lose all my peace and appetite at the sight of him." तो बिजनेसमैन की जो डॉटर इन लॉ थी, जो उनकी बहू थी, वो उन्हें बिल्कुल भी पसंद नहीं करती थी। और एक दिन तो उसने ये कह दिया कि इस बूढ़े इंसान से मेरा पीछा छुड़ाओ। The son said to his father, "Leave this house and find a new place for yourself. We can't afford you anymore." अब आप जाओ यहाँ से, हम आपका खर्चा नहीं उठा सकते। The old businessman begged his son not to turn him out of the house. "Where shall I go, son?" said the old man. "Who will keep me in my old age?" But the son was rigid. He thought this was a way to prove that he loved his wife. बूढ़े बिजनेसमैन ने उनके सामने भीख तक मांग ली कि इस उम्र में मैं कहाँ जाऊँगा, मेरे साथ ऐसा मत करो, मुझे कौन रखेगा। पर उसका जो बेटा था वो कुछ नहीं समझ रहा था। उसने सोचा अगर मैं अपनी पत्नी की बात मान लूँगा तो ये साबित हो जाएगा कि मैं उसे प्यार करता हूँ, तो मुझे उसकी बात माननी चाहिए। Half dead with his son's behavior, the businessman prepared to leave. With tears in eyes, the businessman said to his son, "Son, it is very cold outside. Please give me some cloth." तो अब जब उनका दिल पूरी तरह टूट चुका था तो उन्होंने जाने की ठान ली कि अब मैं चलता हूँ। और उस दिन बहुत ठंड थी तो उन्होंने अपने बेटे को कहा कि बेटा बाहर बहुत ठंड है, मुझे कुछ कपड़ा दे दो, कुछ ओढ़ने के लिए दे दो। "Is this a charity house? We don't have any cloth for you," said his daughter-in-law in a rude voice. But the son agreed to give his father a horse cloth. अब उसकी डॉटर इन लॉ ने यहाँ पर भी बहुत रूडली बात की और कहा हमारे पास कोई कपड़ा नहीं है। लेकिन बेटे ने उसे एक टुकड़ा दे दिया और वो था हॉर्स क्लॉथ, जो हम घोड़े के लिए यूज़ करते हैं। He asked his son, "Lucifer, go to the stable and bring the new horse cloth that I bought last month and give it to your grandfather." तो बेटे ने कहा अपने बेटे ल्यूसीफर को कि जाओ दादाजी के लिए वो हॉर्स क्लॉथ लेके आओ, स्टेबल से लेकर आओ। Lucifer had been watching all this harsh behavior of his parents silently. He looked at his grandfather and said, "Grandpa, come with me." With heavy heart, the old man headed towards the stable with his grandson. The boy chose the best horse cloth he could find there. Then he folded it into two. He took out his knife and divided the horse cloth into two halves. He gave one half to his grandfather and kept the other half with himself. तो बच्चों, ल्यूसीफर अपने दादाजी को अस्तबल में ले गया, स्टेबल में ले गया, क्योंकि उसे हॉर्स क्लॉथ देना था। लेकिन उसने उस हॉर्स क्लॉथ को दो टुकड़ों में काट दिया। एक हिस्सा दिया दादाजी को और दूसरा रख लिया अपने पास। "My dear Lucifer, what have you done? Why have you cut the half cloth? You are being very cruel to me. I'll go to your father and tell him what you've done," said the old businessman. अब ग्रैंडफादर ने कहा, "लूसीफर, पहले ही ये हॉर्स क्लॉथ इतना छोटा है और तुमने इसको भी दो हिस्सों में काट लिया। तुम तो और भी ज़्यादा क्रूअल हो रहे हो। अभी मैं तुम्हारे पापा को जाके बताता हूँ." The old man went back to his son and complained to him about Lucifer's behavior. On hearing what Lucifer had done, the father was a little angry. He asked Lucifer to give the other half to his grandfather. अब जो उसके पापा थे लूसीफर के, उसने कहा कि दादाजी को पूरा कपड़ा दो, तुमने काटा क्यों? Lucifer looked at his father and replied, "I'll not do that. If I'll give this half cloth to grandpa, then I would be left with nothing to give you when you are old enough, as you have asked your father to leave the house. So I'll ask you one day, won't I need the horse cloth then? I have kept it for you, father. तो लूसीफर कहता है कि ये सारा हॉर्स क्लॉथ मैंने आधे में इसलिए काटा है ताकि कुछ साल बाद ये टुकड़ा मैं आपको दूं जब आप बूढ़े हो जाओ. अगर मैं अभी सारा दादाजी को दूंगा तो आपके लिए क्या बचेगा? The father looked in surprise at the Lucifer. The whole matter opened his eyes. He felt sorry for what he had done to his father. अब उसके बेटे को सारी बात समझ आई क्योंकि ल्यूसिफर ने उनकी आंखें खोल दी थी. He fell at his feet and begged, Father, please forgive me. I was wrong. Everything in this house is yours. Don't leave us and go. Please stay with us. तो आखिर में बिजनेसमैन की बेटी की आंखें खुल गई और उसने गिर के माफ़ी मांगी और कहा कि आप मत जाइए. His tears washed off all his sinful thoughts. The old businessman took his son in his arms and kissed him. He patted his grandson's back and advised him to always be respectful to his parents. तो बच्चों, जो बिजनेसमैन थे दादाजी, उन्होंने अपने बेटे को माफ़ कर दिया और अपने पोते ल्यूसिफर की पीठ थपथपाई और उसे बहुत ही प्रेज़ किया और कहा कि हमेशा बड़ों का आदर करो. The daughter-in-law also felt sorry for her misdeed. The old man forgave them all and the good days again started for the family. तो बच्चों, अंत में जो डॉटर इन लॉ थी वो भी अपने किए पर पछताने लगी और उसने भी माफ़ी मांगी और तब सब लोग हंसी खुशी एक ही घर में अच्छे से रहने लगे. I'm sure you really liked this story and you understood how important is respect and love for each family member, whether it's younger or older than you. So, read this story again for better comprehension and attempt the given exercises.